Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Varun Dhawan, Alia Bhatt, Sushant Singh Rajput and Shahid Kapoor, they addressed the media, a select group of media after the opening day press conference of IFA New York. So let's bring you the full press conference right here.
4 continents, around 12 countries, and this is the 18th IFA. आप जब कभी सलमान
मैं जोग्राफी में इतना अच्छा है
तो आप बहुत सालों से सफर करते आ रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करते आ रहे हैं. इन सालों में आईफा की वजह से कुछ चेंज आपको दिखा इंडियन फिल्म्स के बारे में, इंडियन एक्टर्स के बारे में, ज़्यादा नॉलेज, ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर when you travel?
I think IFA has played a very important role in Indian cinema to international audiences, actually audiences, popularizing them. So IFA is a brand ambassador for Indian cinema. It won't be wrong to say that. I was the first host of IFA in 2000 in London, and it's growing. It's amazing. I think also we get to spend. I don't think we've ever spent so many people time together for full years. So we get to meet each other on a relaxed atmosphere where we don't have to sort of only say our lines or something like that. So that's why.
Okay, I'll say.
And Andre has not aged in the last 18 years
at all.
Yeah.
In younger.
Check his shoes out.
Andre is
Yeah.
15 years old.
Yeah. He can say lots of naughty things when he was 18.
I don't think he'll have a problem of the saying. Baba, Baba करके बोल देगा.
But they have played a very important role in our lives, individual lives also. I think it's credit goes to them. They unite actors also, apart from audiences all over the world. At IFA we get very,
And on a personal level too.
yeah.
I've had a great experience working, for them, with them in IFA, but they've been really close to me as friends as well. Whenever something happens, Andre is the first one to come and try to solve it.
Really?
Yeah. Andre, so it's not, this relationship is not just this IFA week. It's the whole year. For me
Okay,
at least.
I'll take on from here. Following to her question, do you think the appreciation for Indian cinema has gone beyond the Indian audience, especially in the US where Hollywood is so big?
No, I think every city has its own charm that we played worldwide everywhere else. Of course, this place, you could see the reaction. Usually, press conference, this kind of reaction is not. Press doesn't. Not that you were clapping, but at least some people were clapping and saying all kinds of things. It does make a difference. It has played a very important role.
Definitely Indian cinema is on the global map now, I think, with Dangal and Bahubali recently doing so well. I think Bahubali did around 25 million just in North America.
And now Judwa 2 is going to be the next level.
Varun and Alia, this is hi.
Hi.
This is your first IFA, so how excited are you? And
We are very excited to see you over
Farid, what a
here.
welcome you
We are
brought
so
to
excited to
Maya.
see Farid over here.
so how excited are you guys for the first IFA?
Alia?
I'm very excited. Also, the stadium is just so big and overwhelming, and I'm just really super nervous because I'm performing first.
Right.
So it's now you have to kind of start the energy, and I'm dancing so much that I really don't know whether I'll be able to walk to the green room after that to get ready for the red carpet. But I'll try.
What about you?
Definitely, I think one thing that when you are performing on stage, you want to see how the stage is, how the touring is, how everything is. And this, I think Katrina really gets into this. And it's interesting discussing this with her. But it's an amazing, amazing venue, something I've never seen in my life before, like for any Indian award show. This is the best venue ever for any Indian award show.
Thank you.
Salman, do you remember the first award that you won, and what was that moment like, and how did you celebrate that first award that you got in your career?
So, I've never won an award. And, yeah, some supporting actors.
आपने दिल जीते.
तो मुझे रिवॉर्ड अच्छा लगता है, अवार्ड अच्छा लगता है. तो उसके पीछे स्टोरी है कि मुझसे किसी एडिटर ने, किसी मैगजीन के एडिटर ने मैंने प्यार किया के लिए he requested me to come for that function. और I think it was filmfare. I think it was filmfare. So yes, you must come, you must come, you must come, you must come, insisting कि वो award मिल जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, nomination में हो, etc. तो जब nominations announce हुए, नया था, तो when they said Salman Khan, Jackie Shroff and I think there was somebody else. So तो जब nominations announce हुए, नया था, तो when they said Salman Khan, Jackie Shroff and I think there was somebody else. So when it said Salman Khan, I stood up to go and take the award. And they said the award goes to Jackie Shroff. I said, इसके बाद कभी नहीं आऊँगा.
So what changed your mind then?
So I don't receive awards. I just go and perform on stage. And if they want me for such a bad performance, they're paying me for it, I'm more than happy. More than happy.
What's the plan?
Literally खड़े होके थकने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं. फूल लूँगा कि अगर नहीं लूँगा.
Okay, guys,
Katrina,
last two questions.
what's the plan to say? How are you planning to celebrate Katrina's birthday? Any plans?
Yeah, 16.
Yeah. It is a national event. I think India में
Okay, guys, last question.
16 जुलाई की छुट्टी तो है ही. उसके बाद अब यहाँ पे भी शायद हो जाए.
Last question to Varun. Jura 2 is coming up. Did you feel any pressure stepping into Salman's shoes? How is it? And Salman, you're also a part of the movie. Say something about it.
We just shot a scene just now.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
What was that scene?
What was that scene?
No, I'll just say it's a very memorable.
Would you like to see the whole film right now?
Part of my
Should we
life.
perform? We can do that as well.
I think it's a big moment for me. I to share screen space with him, and especially in this film directed by my father, produced by
Guys, last
Sajid
question,
Sir.
please.
And I don't want to say much. I think let the film speak for itself. And
Let my work talk first.
I am in both the Jumbas.
so yeah.
So I've known Varun since he was smaller than Bharti.
Yeah, is it?
What would you like to say about
6 years old he was.
Yeah,
Yeah,
6
6 years old. 6, 7 years.
What would you like to say about Tiger Zinda?
Okay, Tigers in that.
Thank you, guys. So, thank you, guys.
It's also a joy to see all of you familiar faces.
What's your favorite
outside
thing
India.
about being?
Thank you. That's wonderful.
This is Faridoon Cheryl, cameraman Farooq Jilani in IFA New York for Bollywood Hungama News Network. Keep on watching.